Have you ever had KFC in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia before?
Oh God.
Hi, if you haven't seen me before, my name is Shay. I'm a travel blogger and I just completed my round the world trip. 2 continents, 8 countries. So let me show you.
Hello. Hello, say hi.
Say hi.
Hi, Dale.
Hi there.
We decided to try KFC here because he said it sucks. I want to see if it's true. So, oh, now you can order over here at the screen here. Usually you have to order up front. So you have to order here. So apparently you're ordering here now, yeah. Dekat Jepun macam ni. Jepun, I went to McDonald's like this. Yeah. So you order on the screen here. Okay, let's go. Okay, Dale's ordering for us.
Please subscribe to my channel because like I said, I just finished my world tour. So there's a lot more that I'm going to share with you.
Netflix.
Yes. Yes. Oh, I don't want hot and spicy. I want original.
Alright.
Coleslaw, coleslaw. Okay.
Drinks.
Drinks, I want. Apa lagi ada?
Ice Milo.
Fanta, Fanta. Fanta. Lama tak mana Fanta.
Sudah mau Fanta.
Lagi? Mahalnya. Zero is actually worse than the sugar one. Float, they got float.
Yeah.
Or zero sugar one. Zero is.
No, they got float here.
There's a Coca-Cola float. But I kind of want Fanta. Oh, Fanta float. I usually don't drink this. But I want that. But you want what?
I get the Coke.
Okay.
SR.
Okay.
And then add on sides. This menu. Oh, this one.
Apa tu? Chewy cheese. Oh, it's the.
If you do like this video, please give me thumbs up.
Oh, cheesy wedges. View my order. Cheesy. This is free. 6-piece nugget, chewy cheese, snake the combo with Coke, snake the bite with Fanta strawberry. Yes. Okay, now I wanna do. Wait, how do you do? You know how do you do voucher then?
Use it next time.
But how do you do it?
No.
Oh, thank you. Dale's paying and Dale's belanja today.
Yay.
Thank you, Dale.
No problem.
Oh, we have to tell them. Huh?
Yeah.
So we tell them that we want chicken breast.
So the dua set tu nak dari.
Here they have all this different combination.
So share with the bestie who will be interested to go somewhere like this.
Yes, this is Fanta with ice cream. I've never had that before. I used to drink Fanta. I used to drink a lot of soft drink. I don't anymore. But this is the. It even looks different. Like I told you. And we got 3 cheesy wedges. We got nuggets. And Del got this cheesy.
Cheesy balls.
It's basically mozzarella balls, fried balls.
Flavors.
Yeah, so we're gonna try it.
In Malaysia we call it bungee.
Yeah, this is flooded. He put like tons of chili sauce. So there's like a condiments. We in Malaysia, we love our chili sauce. There's ketchup too, but we call that tomato sauce. We don't call it ketchup. Ketchup in Malay means the soy sauce, the black soy sauce. We call it tomato sauce. This is chili sauce. You eat it with the chicken and that, what do you call this? Nuggets. And he likes it flooded. Okay, I'm gonna try. This is here you can request that you only want boobs, chicken breast. So that's what I got. Dale said the recipe is different now. has been changed, so I'm gonna try it. See if it's how is it now? Dip it in the chili sauce.
So I thought at first they changed the recipe. So I went to 3 stores to make sure that they didn't change the recipe. So since then, it tastes like it was nasty. So that's why I just put KFC. Not a fan anymore.
Oh. And today is the same.
You're using
Maybe they change it back. People complain code.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes, yes.
So because they all complain, so they change it back. It's tastes the same. It's amazing. You have to try.
I was too stunned to speak to it.
Yeah. The KFC here is the best because I've tried it in Bangkok, I've tried it in Japan. Malaysian one is the best. You have to try it. So sometimes I do this. This is the what do you call this? Mashed potato. You do the mashed potato and dip it with the nuggets and then dip it with the sauce. Like so. So good.
Glorious.
Glorious. This is Fanta strawberry with ice cream. Fanta float. So let's try it. It's actually good. It's not healthy yet. I don't normally drink this. I haven't drink Fanta in like what, 20, 30 years.
Oh, yeah, that's new and something.
But it's actually good.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the review. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. So make sure you subscribe and click that bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos that I'm going to post soon. Oh, as I mentioned, I am a blogger, so that means I do have a blog. It's shaytravel.com. I'll put the link in the comments and description section. I do post travel deals, like discount on flights, travel guides and tips for you to check out later when you're done watching this video. Till next time, happy travels!